Official name of Indian Parliament: Sansad Bhavan. Which country has the most island? Sweden. Largest three-digit number is 999. Study of animal is called zoology. Largest producer of sugarcane in India: Uttar Pradesh. Which Indian state is largest grower of pulses? Madhya Pradesh. Which crop is also known as Kharif crop? Rice. Example of Rabi crop: wheat. Example of virus disease: influenza. In email, what is the full form of CC? Carbon copy. Which is the southernmost state capital of India? Thiruvananthapuram. Universal shortcut key used in computer: Control C. What is the basic and fundamental unit of kidney? Nephron. Low oxygen level in blood means hypoxemia. Which bird has ability to mimicry of human speech? Parrot. Fastest land animal is cheetah. Which programming language is used to develop web application? JavaScript. What is the primary function of the power supply unit? PSU. To provide power to the computer components. What is the primary function of the graphic processing unit GPU in a computer? For better display. What is the primary advantage of e-commerce in business? Increase customer reach.